The Radio Flyer Folding Wagon 3956 is an ideal travel companion for families with children aged 1 year and above, offering a maximum weight capacity of 120 pounds. This wagon features an innovative design that allows it to be pushed or pulled and easily folded for storage, ensuring it stays folded with a lock on the frame. The wagon includes a travel cover to keep it protected when not in use, and a large zippered storage pouch for the removable accessories and travel necessities. The Radio Flyer Folding Wagon 3956 is equipped with a rear brake, 2 5-point safety harnesses, and an ultraviolet protective canopy with peekaboo mesh, ensuring the safety and comfort of your little ones. Additional features include cup holders, a removable rear storage bag, and a peekaboo window on the canopy, as well as the ability to convert into bench seating. Constructed with durable rubber wheels with bearings and high-quality DuraClean 2.0 fabric, this wagon promises a smooth ride on almost any terrain and longevity.